Hello everyone. Welcome to another fabulous Friday idea. Today I am playing with a snowman that I've had for several years. It is called Snowy and it is from Penny Black. I love this little guy. I love him. So that's the image I'm using. I've pulled in some alcohol markers to do some coloring of him. I've also pulled in some sparkly ribbon, and the reason was I cut my paper wrong, so I had to modify. I have taken a piece of the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Fresh Snow paper, and I've cut it. I'm going to mount it on this piece here, like so. That's a scrap to stamp on, and this is sparkly paper. I'm trying something. I don't know if it'll work. And then my card base is sparkly, and it's a different size. I am using a fun size that I ran across. 𝘃𝗶𝗶𝗃 did it for one of her sheet load of cards, and I just loved it. And the envelopes you can get at the Dollar Tree. They're security envelopes. You get 80 for $1.25. So that's what I got. All right, now this piece is going to go on here. So let me get that put together. And I'm going to put it even with the bottom and centered as best I can, like so. All right, now my ribbon is going to go across the top like this. I just thought it would look so cute, and I had to put a backing behind it because it doesn't show up on there. So that's why I did this, but I modified it and made it work. I just kept playing till I figured out what I wanted. All right, I'm going to take some double-sided tape and put this down. I'm going to take my pokey tool and get the back off. Now I'm going to stamp on that that sparkly paper. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to find out. I am going to use Memento. I don't know if it'll dry. We'll see. And I'm just kind of butting that ribbon up against the pattern paper. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. This is new shimmer paper for me. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna get my card ready to go, and then I'll stamp my image. But we'll see how this works. I'm going to lay this flat. And it's the same size as the card front. So down just a little. Okay, there we go. All right, so there's our card front. Now, let's see how this reacts to ink. I may have to hit it with the heat tool. I just think this little guy is so cute. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm going to hit it with the heat tool. I'm not going to use that, so that's why I tried it there. Okay, let's try it dry. Okay, yeah, I'm going to cut around that, so I didn't worry about it. All right, I'm going to start with pink. I'm going to give him some pink cheeks and a pink nose. I know he's supposed to have a carrot, but I don't want a carrot. All right, now I want, let's see, this is my lighter one. So I'm going to do his hat. I struggle getting these off. I don't have strength in my hands, so. All right, so there's that. Then I'm going to do his scarf. So I'm glad to know I can stamp on here and then just hit it with the heat tool. All right, now I have the darker one because I'm going to do some, and I put that on really tight and I shouldn't have. Oh well. All right, I'm going to try just kind of scribbling up here and here. And then I'm going to take and blend it in. I do better if I take the piece I'm okay. And then I'm going to zigzag it down there, across there, and there, and there. I am not an expert at blending, but at least it gives it some dimension. And I'm just going to go over it a little so you don't really see the lines. There we go. And I need a black to do his buttons. And I'm going to go with a dark gray because I want to make sure that the alcohol marker is dry. And it's dark enough that it'll look black. All right. Now, I'm going to hit this with the heat tool just to play it safe. All right. Time for me to cut him out. Okay, here we go. Okay, got him cut out. And I'm going to put him on right here with some dimensionals. I need a sentiment. I didn't bring over a sentiment, so I'll have to look and see. And I bought this thing to be organized, and what do? I throw it on the my table. All right, cut these off. Okay, and we'll see how far these take me. And I need a few more, so let me grab another package. I think that'll do it. All right, I got to take my backs off, and I'm trying not to move him around too much, just in case anything is wet. All right, yeah, I didn't know if that one had come off. I couldn't tell. All right. Okay, I've got him. There he is. Oh my gosh. Isn't he just too cute? Oh my gosh, I need a sentiment. Okay, I found the perfect one in Frozen Edges. Snuggle up and hope for snow. I bought this stamp set for that sentiment. So, let me see, where's my scrap? Here's my scrap. Let me find my blue ink because I think that would look good with it. Okay. I have it. put that there. I'm going to stamp it upside down, but that's okay. Now I'm going to heat this. All right, I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to just kind of cut around it. I'm going to go down so I can kind of come around. And I'm going to go that way with it. Take off that tip. There we go. All right. Now it's time to add some dimensionals to that. So I can really careful to make sure that I don't slide this in case it's still wet. All right, I'm gonna get my backs off. I just love this sentiment. I think it's perfect for snowmen and snow cards. All right, and I'm gonna put it right there. Isn't it cute? And I use that cute little guy to do the inside and the envelope. And you can see how it's different papers can affect the markers. So just something to think about. I hope you enjoyed today's not anything goes, Fabulous Friday idea. Check out the information below where you can find all the measurements for my paper and what I used and everything on my blog post. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a fabulous Friday. Bye.